I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Honey Nut Cheerios. What's poppin', y'all? Today I'm gonna show you my version of a perfect cereal slime, cereal milk, whatever you wanna call it, cereal milk slime. Anything cereal and slime right now, if you're not up to date with the slime community, it is huge. It's been huge for the past, like, I don't know how long, over a year, more. Just something about a nice cereal milk recipe is like, it's big right now. And today is the perfect day to show you how to make a cereal slime, because today I'm teaming up with my girl Lucy Hale for the Honey Nut Cheerios Good Rewards program. Honey Nut Cheerios Good Rewards is a great way to make doing good fun and easy. And through Good Rewards, you can team up with your favorite star. Through Good Rewards, you can unlock fun games, win cool prizes like gift cards. And getting into the action is actually really simple. Just go to BeGoodRewards.com, get it like be good. Be good. I thought that was adorable. Once you're there, all you have to do is scan the official Buzz coin, this one right here on the back of your box. You're gonna choose your team and you're gonna win your Buzz coins for your charity, which is what we want, okay? The team that gets the most Buzz coins wins $100,000 for their charity. $100,000. Team Lucy. Team Lucy! Second place gets $50,000 for their charity, and third place gets $25,000 for their charity. So we all win here. It's for a great cause, sweetie. Just do it, okay? Lucy's charity is the ASPCA. We gotta win it for the puppies and kitties, okay? Do you have a dog? Do you have a cat? Do you have any pets? Do you want to support a nonprofit that is dedicated to preventing animal cruelty? Then Team Lucy it is, honey. And if you're wondering what ASPCA means, it's basically what I just said. It's the American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. So hashtag Team Lucy, hashtag it's Buzz Coin time. Go get yours. Make sure to scan this, join the team, and just, it's a good cause, okay? Just do it. If you like, y'all know you eat cereal anyway, just do it, okay? And I thought it would be perfect if I'm gonna make a cereal slime. Let's make a Honey Nut Cheerios slime. I have a few different methods that I wanna show you. So excited because actually my #1 favorite type of slime is usually a cereal one, so let's do it! Wait, have you actually scanned yours yet? Like, do you have a team already?
Yeah, I have a team. I'm Team Girl.
You don't want cereal? I'm dead serious, I'm hungry. So, we're gonna use a mix of 3 different glues. We're gonna use a mix of regular school glue. We're gonna use a mix of glue-all, which is a thicker base, and we're gonna use a mix of clear. So just a mix of all of them, okay? You guys know I never use exact measurements, but I'll give you an idea. What I'm doing is I'm gonna take some glue-all, and glue-all is basically just like a multi-purpose glue, and it's thicker. I'm gonna put half of a gallon of this in here. There's thick, like THICC, and then there's thick, THICK. I feel like THICC thick is more of a creamy thick, and then THICK is just like thick all around. Bro, stop eating churros.
Oh, sorry.
You didn't get full with the first bowl? So I went in with half a gallon of glue-all. Now I'm gonna go in with some school glue, just basic old school glue. I actually usually just eyeball it, guys. I'm gonna go in with half a gallon. So it's like 1-to-1 ratio of glue-all and school glue. And from here, when I actually make the slime, if I feel that it's way too thick and not cereal milk enough, I'll go in with a little bit of this, like more of it. That way the glue-all is not overpowering. Now I'm gonna go in with clear glue. Any thick slime, whether it's THICK, THICC, any thick slime to me has to have clear glue, like any of it, okay? That's what's gonna give it the gloss, for sure. Definitely for any type of thick slime, adding clear is gonna make it good. And I only add half a gallon of clear. So right now I used half a gallon of regular, half a gallon of glue-all, and then half a gallon of this. Hopefully that makes sense. My recipe. It's basically all equal parts, yes. But if I was making just like a regular thick slime, I would use like 1 full gallon of glue-all and then half a gallon of clear. I'm like spilling all the tea on my recipes. Honestly, it's not even a big deal to me. So we have the glue in here. We have all the glue. Now, anything that's gonna gloss up a slime, I use. I go in with lotion. For a batch this big, I add in about 30 to 40 pumps of lotion. Okay, that was about 40 pumps. That's good. I like actually, even at that, I'm looking at it, it's probably not even that much. It honestly just depends on how soft and creamy you want it. I also go in with baby oil. I'm not sure if a lot of people use this. It's one of those things I feel like I need baby oil in my slime. I know that's a lot, but I go in with about 10 like squirts, like it's a good amount. So you obviously want to mix everything together before you start activating. There's also scents. I love using scents because not only is it gonna smell bomb, but the scent is like, it's another oil you're adding. This one is oatmeal, milk, and honey. It's the closest that I can get to like the Cheerios scent. It smells nice. It smells nice. I see all the oils in here. Like from the lotion, from the baby oil, from the scent, like the corners, you could actually see it. And I love when a slime does that because you know it's gonna be glossy, honey. I'm just gonna start activating it. This is my activator. This is borax and a water mixture. So with my thick slimes, I like to keep the activator stronger, which basically just means to avoid adding too much water. That's when I feel like a lot of people that are new to slime, everyone thinks that you just need water for slime. You never actually need it, just because that's gonna make it a little more jiggly. You gotta be patient when you're making slime by hand, especially a big batch like this. With glue all, you get these chunks, and these chunks are gonna be there till the very end. Even after you're kneading, it's gonna be there. And sometimes it's even better to let it sit, and I'll come back with the finished product right now. I am done with my batch. Can we just appreciate the gloss? And this is a fresh batch. When this sits, it's gonna be so beautiful. Wow. To hold it with one hand, but it's creamy and stretchy enough. Okay, so first up, we're gonna make the most intricate one. It is polymer clay Cheerios. So basically, all we're gonna need is some clay. I got the color that most matched the Cheerios that I could find. So we got some polymer clay, the one that you could actually bake, by the way. You want, oh my gosh, you guys, I've actually done this before, where I buy a clay that it's not bakeable, and then I'll put it in the oven and it just melts. I don't know if you guys have ever done that, so make sure you can bake it. So I got my polymer clay, I got some clay tools, and these are the ones I'm gonna be using. And then I got these little punches, and they're actually meant for baking. I think they're for frosting. So I got these, and I got some coarse ground salt. It's basically just like the really thick one. We're gonna use this to give the Cheerios texture. Why can't I never say that word? Texture. Whatever, but that's what we're gonna use that for. Did I just slap my lash? All right, so let's get to it. I'm really just gonna make a pancake with this. I'm using this to get all of them the same size, you know, like uniform sizes for the Cheerios, so that they're all the same size. And this is kind of a cool way to make your little charms. Like this is like legit making charms, basically. So now that I have all these little eraser looking things, I'm just gonna roll them up into balls, and I know it's really small, so it's gonna be hard to like see this, and then we're just gonna flatten it out like so. And then we're gonna take this tool right here, which, by the way, whenever you buy clay, I don't know if y'all noticed, but this is the one that you usually get. So we're gonna take this end right here, and we're gonna poke in our hole. Like that, very easy. I'm gonna flip it over, poke another hole just to get it nice on both sides. There you go. Set that to the side. I'm just gonna do that to all of them. Now we're gonna give it some texture, because you can leave it like that, but it just looks like little donuts. They're cute, but you can't tell they're cereal or donuts. So this is what is gonna make it look like Cheerios, because you're gonna give it the texture and all that of cereal. Okay, we're gonna dip it in, cover it in like so, and that one is ready. We're gonna do the same to the rest, get them nice and coated. Okay, these are ready to go in the oven. Whatever the packaging said is what you usually have to follow, okay? So I'm gonna pop these in, and I'll see you guys when these come out of the oven. They're ready, so now I'm actually gonna put them in hot water. This is how I'm gonna get the salt off of them. Stir them in. And that's it. That took like literally 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna take them out. Dry them up a little bit. And my Cheerios are ready. And this is what I mean by giving it texture. Like it just gives it little lumps and just makes it look more realistic. All right, now that my Cheerios are completely done, first of all, they look so, I just love how dense they are. Like something about charms is just so legit to me, even if they're a little tedious. So I'm just gonna put these right in. Okay, that's a bowl of cereal. I love the charms, but they're a little bit tedious. So if you want something more easy, I'm using foam darts. I'm using yellow foam darts. I usually actually order them in packs of like colors and stuff. But since Honey Nut Cheerios are more of a golden color, yellow it's gonna be the way to go. So with my foam darts, I just end up taking this off. I just slowly take it off like that until it comes out. Oop, and then sometimes that happens because they're like really stuck on there, but it's okay, it's okay. So then I just cut these up into little slices of cereal. And I think they just come out so freaking cute. And the fact that they're foam, I just love because foam rises on slime. So when it rises, it looks even better and then it's like crunchy. Love, love, love. Your clay Cheerios will sink, but you can always just like flip it upside down. That way it sinks to the top. And voila, you have your little Cheerio foam pieces, which are so, so cute. So this is the easier method. I love both though. I love both so much. And we have our bowl of Cheerios with our foam. And you can't forget your spoon. So I actually ended up putting the slime into a bigger bowl because I want to do a mix of the foam darts and the charms. So I just think it would look so cool like to have both of them. It's funny because once you have the charms on top, like you really see how yellow the foam pieces are. But I think it looks so cute. So that is it for this cereal slime. I hope you guys enjoyed. I can't stop. Like I really just, it smells amazing. It's so, like the bubble pops are, ooh. Okay, I gotta stop. Don't forget to go get your Honey Nut Cheerios and scan your Buzz coin. It's for a good cause. Hashtag Team Lucy, okay? Hashtag it's Buzz coin time. Team Lucy, honey, Team Lucy. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below what's your favorite type of slime. And by favorite, I mean like what's like your favorite themes, not like thick cloud. I mean like what's your favorite type? Like do you like the bread ones? Do you like cereal ones? Because I'm obsessed with the cereal ones right now, okay? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.